Ka Bethany Society harangkat kecing snok tilang bat ka IIT Mumbai menta kasngi kila sam ya ki kor Pyndaitthah Jhur ki bom dan cingkta ai eru em ya ka mai mariang sha sangut ki Nongdie Jhur hayau lai mkra bat yodu ha kejingalang balalong ha phelau jong ka Bethany Society lai mkra dakani latmu banyarap iki Nongdie ban pene iki Jhur ki chep jongki ki ba klem la dia lut ha kaju kasngi kat kum kecingnya thu jengki samla puli IIT ya kani ka kor laju pendan kam lajan barok ka wekeri bat kani ka dei kasien ka benengkong balawan ra ha kani ka jela.
Okay. See, for as an organization, Bethany Society, one of our major areas is how do we use technology to improve the lives of people and appropriate technology. So we are in touch with like IITs, with Department of Science and Technology. So when IIT developed this, IIT Mumbai, they got in touch with us to ask us whether we would test this sub-zero cooler.
This helps, like it can preserve vegetables and fruits for maybe 1 week or something, and they will not have to do any distress sell for this. And what it needs is only water, 15 to 20 liters of water. I think Meghalaya has a lot of water and they can put it here, and it needs very low maintenance, and the maintenance also can be done by the local people. So if they get it, we hope that if it runs for at least 5-6 years also, they will get some good return.